Welcome back to Quiz Brain. Today, you're guessing the Italian Brainrot Animal's memes by their emoji. There are a lot of bonuses and fun. Each correct answer is on point. Only superheroes can do it. People always fail it. First challenge for you. You have to like, subscribe, and comment your city. You have 3 seconds only. Hurry up. Are you ready? Prove it. Well done. Write them in the comments, and let's start. Guess the Brainrot animal by emoji. Who do you think it is?
Frulli frulla, un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Frulli frulla, un pinguino.
Take a good look. Which Brainrot could this be?
Udin-din-din-din-dun, madin-din-din-dun, merupakan sosok jeruk yang memiliki mata dan mulut. Udin-din-din-din-dun.
Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Here comes another one. Look closely at the emoji. What's your guess?
Macachini, bananini, wow, 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 bananucci, monkey, monkey, monkey.
Try to figure this one out. Which Brainrot is it?
Rino tosterrino, wow, pam pam, el torterelli rinelli. Or elefanti.
Take a moment. What do you think about this one? Next one. What do these emojis remind you of? Guess the animal?
Bambini Crossini, Vesuvio Gondola, Amore Strada, Vespa Duomo Mercato Azzurro, Ciao Piazza Tricolore, ah già, ah.
Another one. What does this combination tell you?
Bobrito Bandito? El Bobrito Gangsterito, Banditelli Don Bobrelli, El Bondito
Let's go again. Emoji only. Who could it be?
Francesco, Franceschino, Francellino, Franci.
This one looks familiar. Who's behind these emojis?
Cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus gigante con una testa di ippopotamo. Il cacto ippopotamo.
Here's another round. What do you think this one is? Guess the Brainrot by emoji again. Any ideas?
Hotspot, prot, hotspot. Ucap seorang ano.
Look closely. Guess the Brainrot. Who comes to mind? Next one. This one is a bit unusual. Any guesses? Another emoji and another challenge for you. Who could this be?
Bombardino Bombondino.
One more before we pause. Can you name this one? Now it's time to choose your secret box, and I really want to know what you'll pick. If you choose the Tigrellini pink box, you should like this video right now. If you go with the Ballerina yellow box, then leave a comment below and tell me who your favorite is so far. And if you pick the Tung Tung Sahur green one, then press the bell and join our community. So which one did you choose? Let's move on. We're back. Guess the Brainrot by Emoji again. What do you think?
Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la sua conchiglia e un orologio che... Liri li lari là. Elefante...
Another emoji and another challenge for you. Who could this be?
Glorbo, frutto drillo. Nel profondo della palude, glorbo frutto drillo regna.
What about this one? Looks simple, but is it? Keep it going. Who do you see in this emoji set?
Graipussi medussi, graipussini medussini, medu.
Another emoji and another challenge for you. Who could this be?
La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Saturn, la Vaca Saturno.
Last one. End strong. Take a guess and add your final point. Congratulations! Now don't forget to hit like, subscribe. Also, count your points and share your final score, and more importantly, which animal was your favorite today? Check our previous videos and I'll see you in the next quiz.